Hi, here's a quick little video to explain how to record one big lecture into lots of smaller lectures. So the first thing you're going to do is schedule your meeting as usual. So schedule it the way you normally would. And then when you start your meeting, you're going to click click record and record to the cloud. So record a little bit and then stop whenever there's a logical breaking point. And then when you're ready, record some more to the cloud. And then stop where there's a logical breaking point. And then record to the cloud. And then stop. And you can do this as often as you need to. And then you'll receive an email when the cloud recording is available. And then in your course, as soon as the cloud recording is available, your students will be able to see the cloud recordings by going to the recordings tab. So here I am as the instructor. When I hit cloud recordings, I can see my English 101 link. This is today's video. There's some other videos here from other dates, but looking from today's video. When I click on the name of it, I can see recording 1, recording 2, recording 3, and if I click on them, then they'll play, and there's actually not really anything in them, but that's where they would play the video. And if I go to my home and switch over to the student view and go to Zoom, you can see the students can see the exact same thing. So students go to cloud recordings, they will see that same cloud recording listed there, and they can see recording 1, recording 2, recording 3. One thing you can't do is you can't change the names of these recordings to make them more descriptive. You can, as the instructor, you can change the name of the meeting if you go to regular Zoom. So if you change the name of the meeting here, I'm going to flip over to regular Zoom real quick. So if I go to my recordings in regular Zoom, this is the one we were just looking at. I can go to here and change this. Or something like that. So I can change the title there, but I can't, unfortunately, change the recording 1, recording 2, recording 3. And if I come back to here and look at my recordings, you can see now it says English 101 Week 1 Lecture in 3 parts. So you can change the name by going to regular Zoom, but you can't change the names of the individual recordings. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you need any additional assistance.